Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two text-to-speech generator platform, which is DupDub and Speechelo. So to get started, DupDub offers a features-rich text-to-speech platform with over 300 voice in multiple language, emotional tones control, and voice cloning together with AI dubbing. It's designed for creators, educators, and business who need realistic and expressive voice across videos, audiobook, and e-learning. Speechelo, while still popular for YouTube voiceover and marketing videos, focus on simplicity, offering a over 30 voice with a basic tones option like normal, joyful, and serious in very easy to use interface. While Speechelo is fast and beginner friendly, DupDub clearly wins on voice quality, flexibility, and realisms. DupDub voice sounds more human, especially in longer or emotional nuanced content. And here's a overall conclusion about these two platforms. So DupDub is the best for high quality, diverse voice output, while Speechelo is better for quick, simple voiceover without the need for advanced features. And that's it. Hope you find the review and comparison a little bit more helpful. So if you did, turn on the notification button and also subscribe for more, because it actually helps me out. And that's it.